National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for Central Wayne County in southeastern Michigan until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Dearborn, or near Taylor, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Wayne County, including the following locations: Inkster, Melvindale, Southwest Detroit, Allen Park, Dearborn Heights, Garden City, Lincoln Park, and Westland. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.